Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can clone a website, or you can say you can transfer your website to another domain or another hosting, and we'll do this with the help of a plugin. This plugin is really very easy to use and very simple. No headache of transferring any database or anything else. You just take a backup of your website, go and install the same plugin on the domain you want to transfer to, and everything is done within few minutes. Okay, let me show you that this is a website to which I want to transfer my ready website, which is after before surgery, and I want to transfer it look after plastic surgery domain. Okay, this is absolutely fully developed website and it's new, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to install a plugin named WP clone on both the websites. Add new plugin. Okay, type WP clone, and the first plugin that you see is by WP Academy, is the plugin that I am talking about. Just press install, and same thing I will do with another domain. Go to plugin, add plugin, and install WP clone by WP Academy. Install. Okay, activate this plugin. Actually I am doing this on the both website simultaneously so that this video can be completed within time frame. Okay, the plugin is ready, and you will see a link here in your dashboard, WP clone. Click it. I'll do this, click here also. Okay, once you are under the plugin settings page, you will see two options here: create backup and restore from URL, right? And just click the create backup to the fully developed website and click create backup. It give a pop-up message. Just press OK, and it will take few minutes to complete the backup. Okay, once the backup is completed, you will see a hyperlink here, and its size is just 64 MB, no problem. And you can copy this URL and go to the domain where you want to transfer your fully developed website, and click the radio button that says restore from a URL and paste the URL here in the space provided. Click agree to the terms and conditions and just press restore from URL, and it will again take few minutes to complete the process, and within few minutes you will see a fully developed website which you have on another domain is transferred to another. Okay friends, restore successful. You can visit the website, and sometime you may need to restructure your permalink structures, so just press here. It will take you to the permalink. Okay, it says it want to update your data. Just press the update WordPress data. There is no problem in that, and successfully updated. Press continue, and now you may need to log into your WordPress site. You can use the same username password of your fully developed website if you have different other than that. Okay, structure is okay, it seems to be okay for me. And now this is my fully website that I have transferred to this website. Now I am pressing refresh so you can see the magic. This website is completely cloned to a new domain. Everything, every image and everything. Okay, okay, let me press this button for to show you a post here. Okay, the whole website is completely and successfully transferred to a new domain, and that too within few minutes, right? Thank you. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.